Welcome back to my kitchen. You know, I'm an adventurous eater, and that makes me an adventurous cook, and that's why I like the tastes and spices of India. Today I'll show you how to make chicken biryani, and I've started by soaking a cup of basmati rice in water, and I'll let that soak for about 20 minutes. Now, I've got a large pot with some oil in it, and I added whole coriander seeds and chilies, and I'm going to let them cook a little bit until they release their fragrance. Then I'll add in the chicken, along with some chopped garlic, cinnamon, salt, a couple of pieces of ginger, and jalapeno, and a finely chopped onion. I drained the basmati rice, and now I'm going to add it to the pot along with 1.25 cups of water. I'll bring it to a boil, and then I'll cover the pot and put it in a 350 oven and cook it for about 35 to 40 minutes until the chicken is cooked through. I pulled the chicken from the oven, I let it cool on a rack for a minute, and then I fluffed the rice with a fork and put it on a platter. Now I'll garnish it with some toasted almonds, some fried shallots, and some sliced green onions. And you can get the recipe for this delicious dish by writing to me here at the station, or log on to the website and click on the Kitchen Guide link. I'm Chef Jim. Thanks for watching Kitchen Guide, the tastiest 2 minutes in television. I'll see you next time.